If you're an HVAC business owner who's tired of chasing leads, missing calls, and feeling like your business is going to fall apart if you take one day off, then this video is for you. I'm about to break down the 3 AI systems that's absolutely changing the game for HVAC business owners just like you and helping them bring in hundreds and thousands of dollars per month in missed revenue. I want you to stick around to the end of this video because once I break down these AI systems A to Z, you're going to know how to implement it yourself within your business. I'm about to show you the AI agents that help bring in hundreds and thousands of dollars in revenue for HVAC businesses. So let's see what these 3 agents are. It starts with a growth AI agent that helps with lead generation and revenue expansion, an operations agent that helps with customer service and retention, and then a recruitment agent that only helps with team growth. Let's start with the growth agent. With the growth agent, it consists of 3 parts: Facebook ads, customer follow-ups, and organic traffic SEO. With Facebook ads, we leverage ChatGPT to write high-converting ad scripts that are aligned with your business goals. Each script is very professional and is created on demand. We then plug in those scripts into ArcAds AI and wait for the ads to generate very human-looking and human-sounding ads that you won't even be able to tell the difference. Let's see one of these ads in action.
We had another week of dead silence. Our phone wouldn't ring. Spam calls, tire kickers, and unlicensed hacks were stealing our hard-earned HVAC jobs.
And we were struggling to hit $10,000 monthly, wondering how we were going to survive. But then we started implementing AI systems. We saw a shocking $100,000 in new revenue.
We're then going to run targeted ads across Facebook, Instagram, and Google, or any other ad platform that your business relies on. We're going to connect those ads to a simple landing page that's going to qualify each and every single lead. The landing page would look something similar like this with more questions on it. Then the AI agent will fully engage with every single lead with an automated AI phone agent system like SimFlow. You see, when it comes to the customer follow-up automation, we connect with leads, missed calls, and old quotes automatically. Whether it's a follow-up reminder, a seasonal check-in, or a quote that went cold, our AI system is going to reach out at the right time so that you can stay busy year-round. The AI will also collect the lead information and build a real-time database of new prospects. Then the AI agent will also engage with those leads in the same fully automated AI phone agent system. It's also going to connect with SimFlow through Zapier and integrate with your calendar on Go High Level. Once you upload your contacts list instantly, you're going to watch the AI call sequence fully fire, fully automatic, without you lifting a single finger. Then we have organic traffic SEO. You see, when it comes to SEO, we're going to use ChatGPT to find high-intent keywords like furnace installation in XYZ city or emergency AC service near me. These high-intent keywords will improve your Google ranking by integrating these targeted SEO keywords into your website. We can also generate SEO optimized blog posts and social media posts automatically with AI. Then we also have a system that's going to be able to re-engage with past customers and ask them for reviews either through text or email. It can also generate persuasive referral offers through either text or email using AI. So now that we know everything about the growth AI agent, let's talk about the operations, customer service, and retention agent. It's broken down into 3 parts: setting appointments, customer service, and service reminders. You see, when it comes to setting appointments, we're going to configure and activate your AI phone agent using a business phone number through SimFlow AI. Then we're going to create professional scripts for booking appointments that are personalized with your company name and information using ChatGPT. We're then going to upload the custom scripts into SimFlow to power your AI appointment setter and connect SimFlow to Go High Level using Zapier to integrate it completely with your calendar. Once fully integrated, the AI caller will book inbound calls directly into your calendar. Then we have customer service. When it comes to customer service, we're going to deploy your AI agent on your site and equip it with everything it needs to represent your business. We'll use a software like TDO or SimFlow AI. We're going to set up your AI agent to provide 24/7 support, answer questions, and book appointments and qualify each and every single lead directly from your website. We'll then connect that agent to your calendar using Zapier and Go High Level so that everything moves smoothly. When it comes to service reminders, it's going to be very similar to follow ups, where we create dedicated workflows for appointment reminders and very similar events. We're also going to build automated service reminder sequences so that it's tailored towards the specific machinery installed. This ensures that you stay on the top of the mind of your customers whenever something goes wrong. Appointment and service reminders, those will be all sent through either text message, email, or automated phone calls. Then all of this is going to be connected with Zapier and connect directly into your Go High Level calendar. And finally, we have the recruitment agent. When it comes to recruiting, it's broken down into three parts: posting the job offering, qualifying each and every single applicant, and book these applicants into your calendar. You see, we use platforms like Indeed, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or even Google Ads to post your job applications as ads. We then use ChatGPT to create professional applications with offers personalized with your company name and your company needs. These applications will capture the applicant's name, email, phone number, and any other information that you may require. The AI agent will then call the applicant to filter and ensure that individuals are serious and qualified for the job. Then, for those serious and qualified applicants, they will then be booked into your calendar for you to interview and for you to have the final say. And that's the three AI agents that I built for HVAC business owners that pulls in hundreds and thousands of dollars every single month. And now you can implement it yourself. You see, this helps HVAC business owners grow, operate, and even recruit more into their business on autopilot while bringing in consistent revenue. They do this all without working harder, but just simply by working smarter. And look, if you're a serious action taker, but everything I went over with you today is still confusing and you don't know where to start, don't stress it. Let's make it simple. Just book a call with me and we'll figure out what works best for your business. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So click the link below and let's make this simple for you.